Now that you've created your airdrop contract, you need to access the functions. Now you've got to pay to do this, and you have a couple of options. The first option is to pay for just 1 day access, and to do that the cost is 0.2 BNB. That gives you 24 hours of being able to use the airdrop contract. The second option is to pay 2 BNB, and that gives you unlimited access forever. Now in order to do this, you want to come over to the right page of your airdrop contract. You need to connect to Web3. I'm going to connect with my wallet. And then if you are going for access of 1 day, then type into this box 0.2. Now, any more or any less than that, and it will not work. Now, you'll see if I go to write this, that I could send this transaction through. It's going to let me confirm it, but I'm not going to confirm it. I just want to show you that if you don't put in enough, then we're going to get an error. So it's not going to allow me to run this transaction. And if you put in too much, then you're also going to get an error. So you can only enter this into this box 0.2 BNB. On the second box, the unlimited access, you need to put in a number 2, and this means that you would be paying 2 BNB for unlimited access to the contract. Now, I won't be able to do this because I don't have 2 BNB on this wallet, but that's what you do if you wanted to have unlimited access. Now, once you've done that, if you go for the 1 day access, I do have one here which I use myself, and if I go over to the read contract page, you'll see that I have a number here where it says access until. Now this is a epoch timestamp, which is 24 hours from when you actually pay that 0.2 BNB. Now, if you pay 0.2 BNB twice, it doesn't accumulate. You're not going to get 48 hours. It goes 24 hours from the moment you make the payment. So don't pay a second time until your first time has run out. Now, if you opt to pay the 2 BNB for unlimited access, you'll see that this will change to true on your contract, whereas by default, this will be false. And this would by default be 0 until you've made the initial payment for 24-hour access. Now, once you've got access to the contract, your owner wallet is able to interact with the functions on the right page, but you cannot interact with this contract with any other wallet. The next thing that you need to do is to add any tokens that you want to airdrop to people to the actual airdrop contract. You need to prepare the token that you're airdropping and then complete your airdrop. And you can find out how to do that on the rest of the videos on this page. Take care. Bye-bye.